Hello everyone, welcome to Yuhu Kids TV Arts. 3, 2, 1, start! This drawing is super cute and very easy to follow. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Isn't it cute? It is. Subscribe Yuhu Kids TV Arts. Look at that! It's already turning out so adorable! Now let's start coloring! Let's add some color to make it come alive! This is the fun part. Remember, you can choose any color you like. Make it your own. Kids, don't worry. If you go outside the line, it's all part of the creative process. Wow, look it now. Isn't it amazing? You don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.